It started with an error.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have Bernadette Pons and Eliza Valdez of the Dreamline Post-Smashers who won in 5 sets against the Zeus Coffee Thunderbirds. First up, Adelaide, congrats on this win. 17 points, your best game so far since returning. What do you say about how your team performed today against Zeus?
Well, it's not something na we're proud of also kasi it extended into 5 sets. But knowing Zeus Coffee, they really brought their A game today. They played so well and we're just very happy and blessed and alam mo yun, talagang nanalo kami in today's game. It's anybody's ball game during that 5th set, but luckily we got it. So maraming salamat. Lord, thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you, Adelaide. For Ponsing, umabot ng 5 sets itong game na to, pero nakuha niyo pa rin yung panalo. What can you say about yung talagang teamwork ng Dreamline na naitawid niyo itong win na to?
Ayun nga, sobrang grateful lang din kasi napanalo pa rin namin yung game kahit ganun yung nangyari. Siguro at some part of the game din, nagpabaya talaga kami. So, yun. And maganda din talaga yung nilaro ng Zeus. And grateful lang talaga na naipanalo natin game. Wala lang masabi. Basta thank you, Lord.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
What's your win?
Eliza and Pons, ano lang yung nakita yung pinaka nag-development na bago sa Zeus? Na ganito na yung nilalaro nila against you?
Oh, wow. You know, honestly, I think more than anything, I saw their grit na they won't go down without a fight talaga. And you know, as a young team, and tapos masasama rin ng mga ibang veteran teams like Ate Jovel and Gonzaga, I think ang ganda din ng combination nila sa buong Zeus Coffee right now. So, I guess one thing na yun, nakita ko talaga yung grit nila, that attitude na no matter what, we're one of the youngest teams here, but they will fight talaga for their pride and honor.
Same question.
Same answer. Siguro malaking factor din talaga na nasa kanya si Ate Jobs kasi may veterano sila sa loob na isa din sa nagli-lead talaga sa kanila. And yun, maganda din talaga yung pinakita din nila na sobrang ayaw din talaga nilang bumigay basta-basta. Gusto din talaga nilang maipanalo yung game.
For both Adelaide, you started the year with a win, you ended with a win.
Wow.
So after this historic year that was for Dreamline, what's something that didn't change or stayed the same pa din sa character ng team, sa inyo din personally players na naging kumbaga anchor niyo all throughout a historic 2024?
Honestly, I think everything has changed talaga. Most definitely the competitiveness of each and everyone. Mas tumaas, mas nag-level up. And I think that's one good change that happened today. Hopefully, we bring that to next year. And we became more motivated para mag-perform talaga pa sa next year. Yun yung mas mahaba, yun yung mas sunod-sunod na games, and mas crucial din yung mga games sa mga next year. So sana mas-sustain namin and the responsibility and accountability to be in that position. Siyempre, kailangan namin pamagulan sa atin. So yeah, madaming nagbago din. But definitely, the competitiveness.
Same question.
Yun na nga, sinabi na ni Ate Lai na mas nag-level up din talaga yung competitiveness ng bawat isa sa team. Siguro, malaking
na kami laging dumadating sa practice.
malaking bagay din talaga yung naging experience namin training camp sa Taiwan and yung tune-up game namin before start yung conference against the Japan team. So sobrang laking tulong din yun sa amin na mas parang pina-feel sa amin ng Japan na ang dami niyo pang kailangan trabahuin.
Eliza and Pons, siguro this match din, nakalaban nyo si Thea. You know, a lot of people expected yung ganitong performance from her. What did you say about facing her na, kumbaga parang marami rin siyang nakuha blocks against you guys?
Wow, oo nga. Well, nalaman namin na malayo na talaga yung generation gap namin kasi hindi tulad kami unang nagtagpo. But you know what? The Thea has been one of the biggest impact in Zeus. The toughest siguro defender also sa kabilang side sa net. And walang kaba yung bata. Pag nakikita mo din talaga sa harap, kita mo na confident din talaga si Thea. So I think that's really a good sign coming into the BBL. Kasi syempre, this is one of the biggest league here in the Philippines. So maganda yung aura niya din talaga. The confidence is there. So we can wait to see more of her monster blocks and points for Zeus.
Ayun, unang-unang given na talaga na malaki siya. Pero skills talaga, meron din talaga siya. Ang galing niya, ang tangkad niya pa. And siguro isang malaking bagay din na yung experience niya sa national. So wala talagang kaba, perform lang siya. Ang galing niya.
Ate Lai, this is your last game of the year, so medyo matagal yung holiday break. Ano lang siguro yung mga adjustments na nakita niyo from this game na kailangan ayusin during the break na makakatulong next year?
Wow, I think one of the things na very evident siguro in today's game, yung basic namin, the errors. We have to contain and minimize our errors talaga. So I guess we have to make sure na double time talaga sa practice and make sure na every detailed din talaga yung practice din namin. And definitely, for sure, nakita din yun ng mga coaches namin and yun din yung i-address namin in practice. But we'll take this win today and celebrate with our loved ones this holidays and get back to work again.
Thank you,
Coach
Ate Lai.
Sherwin, ano?
Thank you po.
Congrats on the win.
Salamat po! Happy holidays, everyone!